Hey there, food lovers and fellow travelers. First, I owe you all a massive apology. It's been months since I last shared a video with you. Life got hectic, but I'm back, and I've brought something truly special for you. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italy to explore the must-try foods that you absolutely need to experience at least once in your lifetime. As a traveler, I've always believed that the best way to understand a culture is through its food. So, whether you're a foodie, a wanderer, or just someone craving something amazing, this video is for you. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey that will leave you dreaming of Italy. Let's get started. Number 10. Cannoli. Cannoli are one of Sicily's most famous desserts. These crispy, fried pastry shells are filled with sweet, creamy ricotta cheese, often flavored with vanilla, citrus zest, or cinnamon. The ends are typically garnished with chocolate chips, candied fruit, or crushed pistachios, adding both flavor and texture. The contrast between the crunchy shell and the smooth, luscious filling makes cannoli a treat for all the senses. Whether enjoyed as a dessert or a snack, cannoli are a symbol of Sicilian indulgence. Their perfect balance of sweetness and richness makes them irresistible to anyone with a sweet tooth. Number 9. Arancini. Arancini are golden, deep-fried rice balls originating from Sicily. Their crispy exterior gives way to a creamy, cheesy interior often filled with ragu, mozzarella, or peas. The rice is typically flavored with saffron, adding a subtle earthy note. These bite-sized snacks are perfect for on-the-go eating and are often enjoyed as street food. The combination of textures, from the crunchy shell to the gooey center, makes arancini a delightful treat. Served hot, they are best accompanied by a tangy marinara dipping sauce. Arancini perfectly encapsulate the inventive and satisfying nature of Sicilian cuisine. Number 8. Ossobuco. Ossobuco, a traditional Milanese dish, features veal shanks braised to tender perfection in a flavorful sauce of white wine, broth, and aromatic vegetables. The dish is often served with gremolata, a mixture of lemon zest, garlic, and parsley that adds a bright, zesty contrast to the richness of the meat. The highlight is the marrow inside the bone, which melts into the sauce, adding depth and richness. Ossobuco is usually paired with risotto alla Milanese, creating a hearty and satisfying meal. Its bold flavors and melt-in-your-mouth texture make it a favorite among lovers of traditional Italian cuisine. Number 7. Pesto alla Genovese. Pesto alla Genovese is a vibrant green sauce that hails from Genoa, in the Liguria region. Made by blending fresh basil leaves, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and extra virgin olive oil, it captures the essence of summer in every bite. Traditionally prepared with a mortar and pestle, its texture is creamy yet slightly coarse. The sauce is typically tossed with trophy pasta or spread over warm bread. Its aromatic, nutty, and slightly tangy flavors make it an irresistible addition to any meal. Pesto alla Genovese is a testament to the freshness and simplicity that defines Italian cooking. Number 6. Tiramisu. Tiramisu is a layered dessert that combines the robust flavors of coffee with the creamy sweetness of mascarpone. Ladyfingers are soaked in espresso and layered with a mixture of mascarpone, eggs, and sugar. A dusting of cocoa powder on top adds a touch of bitterness that balances the sweetness. The texture is light and airy, while the flavors are rich and complex, making it a favorite among dessert lovers. Originating in the Veneto region, tiramisu is a testament to Italy's ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Its name, meaning pick me up, perfectly describes its energizing and delightful effect. Number 5. Gelato. Gelato is Italy's version of ice cream, but it's creamier, denser, and bursting with intense flavors. Made with milk, cream, sugar, and natural flavorings, gelato contains less air than regular ice cream, giving it a smoother texture. Classic flavors include pistachio, stracciatella, and hazelnut, while fruity sorbets offer refreshing options like lemon or raspberry. Gelato is served at a slightly warmer temperature, enhancing its rich taste. Each spoonful melts smoothly in your mouth, offering a burst of flavor that lingers. Whether enjoyed from a cone or cup, gelato is a quintessential Italian treat that captures the joy of simple indulgence. Number 4. Risotto alla Milanese. Risotto alla Milanese is a refined dish originating from Milan, known for its golden color and luxurious taste. The rice, typically arborio or carnaroli, is cooked slowly in broth, creating a creamy texture without the use of cream. Saffron, the star ingredient, infuses the dish with its earthy aroma and vibrant color. The dish is often served with grated Parmesan cheese, enhancing its richness. Risotto alla Milanese is frequently paired with Ossobuco for a complete Milanese meal. Its smooth, velvety texture and unique saffron flavor make it a standout dish, loved for its simplicity and elegance. Number 3. Lasagna. Lasagna is a hearty, layered pasta dish that originated in Bologna, showcasing the rich and indulgent flavors of Emilia-Romagna. Its layers consist of wide, flat pasta sheets alternating with a slow-cooked ragu alla bolognese, creamy bechamel sauce, and a generous sprinkle of Parmesan or mozzarella cheese. Each layer melds beautifully, offering a combination of textures and flavors. The ragu is deeply flavorful, with hints of tomato and wine, while the bechamel adds a creamy smoothness. Baked until golden and bubbly, lasagna is a symbol of home cooking and is often enjoyed during family gatherings. It's a warm, comforting, and satisfying dish. Number 2. Spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara is a Roman classic that showcases the beauty of minimalism in Italian cooking. The pasta is perfectly al dente, coated in a creamy sauce made from raw eggs, pecorino romano cheese, and the rendered fat of guanciale, cured pork cheek. The dish is generously seasoned with freshly cracked black pepper, giving it a slight kick. What makes carbonara unique is its silky texture achieved without using cream. Each bite is a balance of creamy, salty, and peppery flavors, making it an indulgent and satisfying meal. Carbonara is a celebration of Roman tradition and a perfect example of comfort food. Number 1. Pizza Margherita. Pizza Margherita is the cornerstone of Italian cuisine, originating from Naples. It features a thin, slightly crispy crust baked in a wood-fired oven until charred and smoky. The topping is a simple yet harmonious blend of sweet San Marzano tomato sauce, fresh buffalo mozzarella, and aromatic basil leaves, representing the colors of the Italian flag. The balance of flavors is extraordinary, as the richness of the cheese complements the tangy tomatoes and the fresh basil adds a hint of earthiness. A drizzle of olive oil enhances its natural flavors. Pizza Margherita is a must-try for its authenticity, simplicity, and soul-satisfying taste. And that wraps up our flavorful adventure through Italy's top 10 must-try foods. From the creamy gelato to the iconic pizza and those crispy cannoli, Italy's cuisine is a treasure trove of unforgettable tastes. But here's the thing, no video or words can truly capture the magic of experiencing these dishes in person. So, if you ever get the chance to visit Italy, make sure to savor these culinary delights for yourself. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and never stop chasing the flavors of the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.